In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix MFC90.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Then you have to take note of your system type and then open any browser that you have on your Windows. Kindly search for the missing DLL file. Just put download. Hit enter, click on the first option, scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the system type or the architecture of your Windows. Wait for this to be downloaded. That will be downloaded from here, so wait in a while. Click on the folder icon once downloaded. Then right click on the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right-click and then select copy. And go to this PC on the left pane, double-click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, right-click and then select Paste, click on Continue. Now once done, close all the windows, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser again, search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Also consider to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Locate the application that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots, select Uninstall, and simply reinstall it to your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.